One of the most voted on community ideas is finally here: on-device push notifications. For a number of years now, we have supported in-app notifications, but these were not ideal. A user needed to be actively using the app in order to see the notification. We've now added the ability to send on-device push notifications to users. This means that they will get the notification even when they are not currently using the app. Like with any other app, the notification will simply show up on their lock screen or in their notification center. These notifications can be sent either through IAM or by using a send notification process flow action. This allows you to, for example, send a message about planned maintenance or to notify a user when there is a sales order that they do urgently need to take a look at. Anyone who has ever worked with international teams knows how easily dates and numbers can cause confusion. A simple 03/05/2025 could mean May the 3rd to one person and March the 5th to another. And although one is clearly right and the other is obviously wrong, it can cause a lot of confusion. Until now, the Thinkwise platform relied on browser settings to determine how numbers and dates were displayed, and this worked well enough in controlled environments, but it could become unpredictable in bring your own device or consumer-facing scenarios. With the 2025.3 update, we are introducing a new, advanced localization feature that gives you control over how dates and numbers appear, making sure that your users always see information in the formatting that they expect. A year ago, we announced that we were going to update our universal UI styling with the aim of making it easier to use, to increase data density, and to improve the overall look and feel. With release 2025.3, we are delivering on the last part of this styling update. All forms and control fields have now been redesigned to fit in with our new design. Fields in forms have a new appearance. They are placed closer together, allowing for more fields to be visible at the same time, especially when used in combination with collapsible form sections. They now also have a clearer outline, making it easier to scan forms and to see which field is selected. And for the real data crunchers among us, it's now possible to lower the minimum height of a grid to 16 pixels, even when in edit mode, which allows for a positively large amount of data to be shown at the same time. For more details about this restyling, I've included the link to a blog by one of our UX designers, Mustafa, down in the description. In release 2025.2, we introduced the advanced filter, a new, powerful way to create detailed filters by using and or groups and the ability to filter on detail and lookup references. This release, we are adding the ability to save these filters as user-defined prefilters. This allows users to create powerful filters that can be saved and used later on. As a result, developers no longer have to specify every single possible filter. They can simply create a basic set of prefilters, and users can then create their own custom filters to tailor the application to their needs. We are also introducing the Debug Center, a feature that combines the live error log, database monitor and process flow monitor into one comprehensive screen. All existing features have been retained, whilst completely overhauling the look and feel, massively improving the developer experience. You no longer have to have multiple browser tabs open. Instead, you can now quickly switch between, for example, the live error log and the database monitor on the same page. And I have a suspicion for all of you developers out there, it will be love at first sight. Sometimes you can run into performance issues on your production environment that you did not encounter on your dev environment or your acceptance environment. Usually this is due to larger datasets and more active users. One common issue can be underperforming SQL queries that take too long to execute. To identify these queries, we've added the slow query log to our intelligent application manager. In this log, you can view all slow queries that have exceeded an acceptable threshold. By default, this is 200 milliseconds. This gives you an overview of all queries that are running slow on your production environment, allowing you to compare this to your dev and acceptance environments and to find the issue. So these are some of the highlights of our 2025.3 release. For a full list of changes, I would recommend reading the release notes and blogs on our community, links down below. And I would recommend subscribing to this YouTube channel to keep up to date with everything Thinkwise. If you want to learn more about us or our low-code platform, please visit our website. Again, links will be down below. Thank you for watching.